Just want to give a really quick update for this Song Creator Vision website. So I was able to implement note detection for single notes, not bend, or sorry, single notes and bends, not quite chords yet. But I just want to show off in this website. So there's a drop down now, select song, select the JSON for that song, and then there's now a graph and a log of every string and fret, note status, and time. So this is just a quick demo showing everything missed because I haven't bothered to actually play it yet. But I know it does work. It does say hit. Just want to give a really quick video of this quick update, or rather all day long writing update or a quick video update. All right, cool.